What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update this weekend. We'll talk about everything you need to know, a little bit about next week. Also, the moves yesterday. Yesterday we did see a little bit more of continued bearish momentum into my buy area, which was also on the chart for the last 2 days. All right, so this buy area was already planned on Thursday. Bought a little bit of Bitcoin right now, but I've de-risked it. But we'll talk about that. It's in general, to start off this video. It's a Sunday. There is a lot of fear in the markets, and not only Bitcoin. And we looked at this yesterday as well. But also, if you look at the capital markets, if you look at the S&P, Russell 2000, if you look at the Nasdaq, if you look at the Nikkei 200 or 225 from Japan, it's all down quite a lot. But yeah, so there's a lot of fear about recession potentially, but also relatively still a lot of fear about what's going on in the Middle East. Will Iran retaliate, etc. So that, in combination with today being a Sunday, and the volume is actually still relatively high. I mean, you saw that over the course of yesterday, people actually continued to sell, which I did not expect. I thought we would have a little bit of recovery in the weekend. And then more selling in when the new week begins. But I suppose the fear also with Jump Crypto, which, if you don't know, that's a big market maker, but also a fund in crypto. They seem to be exiting crypto, and they have a ton of investment and a ton of crypto they have. I believe they redeemed like $400 million in Ethereum yesterday from Lido, which they will probably sell. So a lot of factors and a lot of selling pressure caused more selling pressure over the course of this weekend as well. Now we hit a significant support level. Do I expect a bounce here? Technically, yes. All right. I mean, if you go to the daily time frame, I'll show you what this level was based on, which was also sent, by the way, in the premium and in Signal group. If you're still interested in that, I'm still trading. All right. It's mostly shorts right now. But I'm still trading. Links will be down in the description. But no, you had this level right there with the CME gap we made the 14th of July when we started to be bullish. So there was some sort of a gap there. And then it's just the 786 fib of this move up together with the, let me change this, together with the 200 EMA, and historically it has been a strong support level. So in general, a ton of confluences, and that makes it technically a very strong level, and that's also why we stopped falling down there. But now the big question is all right, well, can we actually get some bullish momentum from here? And that's a difficult question. As you can see, right now, if the price like the price closed when the CME closed on Friday at around 63,000. So can we fill that gap? I do think so, right? I think technically we can get some sort of momentum here up to 63, potentially higher. But to be fair, with the fundamental situation we have right now, I have to be bearish on crypto, right? Crypto is a risk-on asset. So as long as those fundamental factors are still considered risky, as long as there's uncertainty around them, a risk-on asset is probably not going to do good, at least not on the short term, because I do still think and expect that Bitcoin will perform better towards the end of the year. All right, but short term, like I said, we're at a strong support level. Usually Sunday to Monday is always when they kind of hunt for liquidity, so some sort of a move up I do expect here. But then especially in that zone between 63 and 64,000, I will be looking for shorts. All right, potentially we could break through that, but only if the fundamental situation changes. All right, so if the recession fears kind of dwindle down, then we could break out and turn more bullish. If we hear more about the Middle East, then that could also happen, even though I think the recession is actually a little bit more important for crypto. So then that's a possibility, but for now, given the situation right now, I would say sure, we'll bounce here, but then we'll just drop down towards 57,000, which is the next main support level. And those are my thoughts. I'll keep you updated on this, but for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.